What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Porcelain Zen. Nice to meet you. Today is a really special day. This is a really special video because yes me, received my first official PR box. So yes, I am officially a brand ambassador, and I am I'm hype, y'all. I am an official ambassador for Yardie Beauty Cosmetics, which is a big deal for me. My family is West Indian, my family is Trinidadian. So one, it was really important to me that I partnered with a black-owned brand. Secondly, it was super important for me to pair it with a Caribbean-owned brand, just so that way I can support my own culture. Lastly, it was super important. It just made it extremely special to be supporting female-owned cosmetic brand. It's from Yardie Beauty Cosmetics, so I'll just show you guys a little bit what the packaging looks like. I literally got everything. Like, as you can see, I already beat my face, and I am using all Yardie Beauty Cosmetics. I am going to pretty much be running through all of these products with you guys just to show you guys what I got. Technically, I cheated because I opened the box beforehand. I was fiending, y'all. Like, I was super excited to get my hands on these products. If you guys want a review video on Yardie Beauty Cosmetics, expect a lot of glitter, expect a lot of color. Let's go. First things first, my favorite product. I love a pigmented eyeshadow. Pigmented eyeshadows, okay? Yardie Beauty Cosmetics, 10 out of 10 for these eyeshadow palettes. So I received 4 different palettes, and they are aesthetically pleasing. They are aesthetically together. The idea was 100% thought out. The whole cosmetic line is themed and branded around the Jamaican culture. So the palettes are named after certain phrases, certain words, certain songs. So the first palette that I'm gonna show you guys is the Chat Patois palette. I used this palette to do my eyes today, and I am in love. As I said, everything on my face except for my foundation. So this is the palette that I used on my eyes today. I used a few different shades. Next up is the Yardie palette. This palette is bomb. Look at how powerful this palette is, you guys. I was a little hesitant at first because I know that some glitters tend to separate without primer. So this is no primer. This is no product. This is just off the back of my finger. I'm gonna show you guys the natty. So natty as in natty dread. Watch that right next to it. Look at that. This is crazy. Third palette that I received is the Pickney Days palette. Pickney Days is your childhood days, so your childhood memories. Eat shit, rinse, sleep, repeat. This palette is a softer palette compared to the other palettes. In this palette, you get 4 matte shades, and then there are 3 times 4, there are 12 shimmery shades. So I'm just gonna take that and swatch that for you guys. Look at that. Before I forget, I'm doing all this work trying to translate for you guys. These palettes come with translation sheets, period. So I don't gotta explain nothing else, y'all. You know I love a rainbow palette, and this is the Bright and Feisty palette. If you love neon, then this palette is gonna be it for you, because this palette is it. It has everything. Super pretty lime green. Super pretty lime green. I use that up here. Oh, look at that. What are y'all saying? So I use this shade for my highlighter. Boom. This is what I used for my highlighter. I use these 2 on my eyes. So crease, highlighter. I got all of these glitters. All of these. The name of this glitter is Neon. And this is what I used today. Brown. And even on camera, you see how rainbow that looks like Fruity Pebbles. So even if this one is brown, look at how colorful the reflection is. Poppin'. Always gotta have your basic red. gold. I got orange. Always need your basic silver glitter. Blush, which is like a nice, really pretty light pink. Aqua, which is a nice royal blue. Here's the teal glitter. I got purple, black, hot pink, green, and the green is really pretty, giving me very Emerald City. You want to see something crazy? Are you kidding me? I got lash glue and eyeliner. Amazing. Got a brow pencil. I use this brow pencil to fill in my brows today, and for the most part it's lit, you guys. It's super waxy, which is what I love in brow pencils. I'm gonna show you guys these insane colors, and by insane I mean good insane. Gorgeous red. Every girl needs a poppin' red lip. Look at this red. And this is with no concealer underneath. If you really wanted to drag it, sis. Drag it. Two other lip colors that stood out to me immediately is the purple lip and the green lip. So the purple lip is called Purple Yam and the green lip is called Soursop. The red is named Sorrow. How convenient. And oh wait, there's a black one. Into some more neutral shades. Beautiful brown. Chocolate, tamarind, and tamarind is like a nice reddish orange, so you guys can see. So we have tamarind, we have chocolate. This is pudding right here. Pudding. For lip glosses, Yardie Beauty did the Bare Choops Trio. Clean and princessy, very girly, minimalistic, but still with the pop. Right now I am wearing this one. This is more of like a salmon pink color. There's a powder pink and then there's clear. I combined the salmon pink and the clear lip gloss for this. This is the Mama Lashy Lash Book. I am currently wearing this style, and this is in the style Rocksteady. I was going to wear this pair, but I put them backwards. Everything is laid out. The lashes are not too big, but they're not thin and wispy. They are thick. The lash band is flexible, which is something that is super important to me. The last gift is this bag, and I'm like looking at it. It was a necklace with the Jamaica pendant. So pretty, you guys. And as a matter of fact, I'm gonna put it on right now so that way we can make this official. So I'm just gonna put this on. And the necklace actually says, out of many, one people. So I literally just went through my entire bag of excitement from Yardie Cosmetics. For today's look, I used two palettes actually. I used the Chat Patois palette, and I also used the black shade from the Irie palette. I used the Neon Glitter, the Bare Choops lip gloss, the clear Bare Choops lip gloss, Bright and Feisty palette for my highlighter. There are a lot of videos that are going to be coming your way. Now that I am swimming in product, you will be seeing a lot of Yardie. Okay, a lot. Thank you so much for tuning in to my first PR unboxing. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram at Porcelain Zen, my makeup page at Painted by Zen. Be sure to follow Yardie Cosmetics on Instagram, and that is at Yardie Cosmetics. Be sure to check out their website and cop up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up, like this video. Click that little bell so you don't miss a video from me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.